Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Shumatt's live channel. I'm Caitlin. Today we would like to show you one of our hot-selling valve assembly for you. And now please let's check it together. And firstly, I will show you the outside package is the blue VCI anti-rust bag, and here this is the product label. And the first line is our product, our Shumatt's brand, and the second line is the product code F00RJ02472. Actually, the logo label packages all the details we support customized service. The inside is the transparent bottles can be better avoid damages during the transmission. Now we will check the inside part for you. 1 layer of the oil paper to wrap it up, and each product we Shumatt supply 6 months warranty time. So if you got the packages not set with the quality at that time, return or exchange oil is okay. And for this valve assembly, it's applicable for inject number is 0445120 and it's applicable for vehicle cores TATA. This is the valve cap, and here with the coating figures on the groove, and this is the valve rod. Actually, if you want to clean this kind of valve assembly, I suggest you to clean it with the oil, don't clean it with the water. Okay, so much for today's product introduction. Thank you for watching. Let's see you next time. I wish you have a good day. See you.